Hello friends, this is Paul and you are watching Digital Assam. Today we are going to discuss course 512. In this course you have to prepare 4 lesson plans which are on language, maths, EVS and social science. In this video you will get to know about lesson plan 1 which is on language. Let's see how to prepare. First of all, you have to draw a table according to the format given here. Then write the name of school, class, number of students, average age of the student, time duration, date on the left side, and on the right side you have to write the subject, topic, textbook which you are going to use in your class, then the author name of the textbook, name of the trainee, enrollment number and study center. So after that write general objectives, then teaching aids. So I have written here some teaching aids like a grammar book, chalk, duster, blackboard, chart, etc. Then you have to draw another table and you have to write here step, previous knowledge, teacher's activity, pupil's activity. So you can see the solution is given here, so you can copy it from here, and if you want to make some changes you can. So after that you have to draw another table. So here you have to write step, teaching points, specific objectives, teacher's activity, pupil's activity and expected learning outcome. The solution is given here, just follow the steps and prepare your lesson plan. So it was lesson plan 1 and rest of 3 lesson plans will be uploaded very soon. So friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.